Welcome to Mr. Bright Media, a channel dedicated to bringing you the latest news, reviews, and insights on technology, entertainment, and lifestyle. Join us as we explore the world of tech and media, and share our passion for all things bright and innovative. In this video we are going to discuss the structure and functions of DNA. Deoxyribonucleic acid, DNA, is a complex molecule that contains the genetic instructions for the development and function of all living organisms. It is a double-stranded helix made up of nucleotides, which are the building blocks of DNA. The discovery of the structure of DNA in 1953 by Watson and Crick was a major breakthrough in the field of genetics, and since then, our understanding of DNA has continued to evolve. In this video, we will explore the structure and function of DNA, as well as its role in our lives. Structure of DNA. DNA is a double-stranded helix that is made up of nucleotides. Each nucleotide consists of a sugar molecule, a phosphate group, and one of four nitrogenous bases: adenine, thymine, cytosine, and guanine. The sugar molecule in DNA is called deoxyribose, which gives the molecule its name. The nitrogenous bases are paired together in a specific way, with adenine always pairing with thymine and cytosine always pairing with guanine. These base pairs form the rungs of the DNA ladder, with the sugar-phosphate backbone forming the sides. The structure of DNA is highly stable and has been likened to a twisted ladder. The sequence of the nitrogenous bases in DNA is what gives each person their unique genetic code. The human genome contains approximately 3 billion base pairs, which are organized into 23 pairs of chromosomes. Function of DNA. One of the most important functions of DNA is to replicate itself. This is a process that occurs during cell division and ensures that each new cell receives a copy of the genetic information. During replication, the double-stranded DNA molecule is unwound and separated into two single strands. New nucleotides are then added to each of the original strands, according to the base pairing rules, resulting in two identical copies of the DNA molecule. Another important function of DNA is to provide the genetic code for the synthesis of proteins. Proteins are the building blocks of life and play a critical role in the development and function of all living organisms. The process of protein synthesis begins with the transcription of DNA into messenger RNA, mRNA. This process involves the copying of the genetic code from DNA onto mRNA, which is then transported out of the nucleus and into the cytoplasm. Once the mRNA reaches the ribosomes in the cytoplasm, the process of translation begins. This involves the decoding of the mRNA sequence by transfer RNA, tRNA, molecules, which carry the appropriate amino acids to the ribosome. The amino acids are then joined together in the correct sequence to form a protein. Role of DNA in our lives. DNA plays a critical role in our lives, from determining our physical characteristics to influencing our risk for certain diseases. The study of DNA has led to many important breakthroughs in medicine, including the development of gene therapy and personalized medicine. One of the most significant applications of DNA technology is in the field of forensics. DNA analysis can be used to identify suspects in criminal investigations and has been used to exonerate individuals who were wrongfully convicted. DNA testing can also be used to establish paternity and to identify individuals in mass disaster situations. The study of DNA has also led to a better understanding of the genetic basis of disease. Many diseases, such as cancer and heart disease, have a genetic component, and the identification of specific genes associated with these diseases has led to the development of new treatments and therapies. DNA is a complex molecule that plays a critical role in the development and function of all living organisms. The structure of DNA is highly stable and contains the genetic code that determines our physical characteristics and influences our risk for certain diseases. The study of DNA has led to many important breakthroughs in medicine, forensics, and other fields. As our understanding of DNA continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more exciting developments in the future. One area of research that is currently generating a lot of excitement is the field of epigenetics. Epigenetics refers to the study of changes in gene expression that do not involve changes to the underlying DNA sequence. These changes can be influenced by factors such as diet, stress, and environmental toxins, and they can have a significant impact on health and disease. The study of DNA has also raised important ethical questions, particularly in the areas of genetic testing and gene editing. While genetic testing can provide valuable information about an individual's health and risk for certain diseases, it can also lead to concerns about privacy and discrimination. Gene editing, on the other hand, has the potential to cure genetic diseases and prevent hereditary conditions, but it also raises ethical questions about the potential for designer babies and the unintended consequences of manipulating the genetic code. In conclusion, DNA is a remarkable molecule that has revolutionized our understanding of genetics and has led to many important breakthroughs in medicine, forensics, and other fields. As our understanding of DNA continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more exciting developments in the future. However, as we continue to explore the potential of DNA technology, it is important that we consider the ethical implications of our research and ensure that we use this powerful tool in a responsible and ethical manner. Thanks for watching Mr. Bright Media. We hope you enjoyed our content and found it informative and entertaining. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more updates and insights on the latest tech and media trends. Also, let us know in the comments what topics you would like us to cover in our future videos. Until next time, stay bright and stay curious.